I would like you to think about all the pieces of ID that you have on you this evening. A driver's license or health card, perhaps a student card or even a passport. Apart from your name, what else is common among them? A photograph, and not just any photograph, a close-up of your face. While it may seem like a cruel exercise in documenting your most unflattering expression, these images serve an important purpose. Facial recognition allows us to look at the photo on the card and verify that it matches up with your face, a process called photo ID. I apply the same method in my PhD thesis, except instead of human faces, my photographs look like this. For many dolphin species, individuals can be identified using the unique natural marks on their body that's visible in a photo. In the case of my study species here, the Indo-Pacific humpback dolphin, I specifically examined the intensity and placement of spotting patterns, as well as the presence, quantity, and shape of any nicks, notches, scars, or deformities. By comparing these features with dolphins in other photographs, I can determine if it's the same individual, whereby the marks match up, or two different individuals if the photos are showing different patterns. In certain instances, I can even determine if a dolphin is a male or female by assessing belly shots or by noting the recurrence of a calf. Pretty neat, right? But why is this important? Well, my work on humpback dolphins is showing that individual data is incredibly valuable. By analyzing the photo ID collections of two populations in Southeast Asia, I have been working towards obtaining estimates of abundance, rates of survivorship and mortality, differentiating between resident and transient individuals, and even identifying habitats that are used by key members like females and mother-calf pairs. I hope to show that collecting photo ID data will not only increase our understanding of the underlying dynamics of dolphin populations, but will help in initiating or modifying essential conservation and management efforts, all without ever needing to capture or physically handle a single dolphin. Now, this part is especially important because being able to study individuals non-invasively allows us to conserve animals without ever putting them at risk. Think back to your pieces of ID. Without them, identifying yourself may involve having a distinguishing mark fastened, or perhaps even branded with a hot iron, onto your forehead so that it's visible at all times. Stressful, right? Well, it happens to be one of the alternative ways of identifying dolphins, and as you would imagine, it has led to fatalities in some cases. So I hope the next time that you use or even renew your piece of ID, you won't focus on your expression so much as the power that that photograph has on your life and the lives of dolphins. Thank you.